to dominion, to destruction. Scroll 1, the fog entity is an invasion vessel. This isn't just tech, it's interdimensional colonization via nanobiotic biotic medium, man. What? I said this isn't just tech drop. It's interdimensional colonization via nanobiotic medium. They have found a way to cross the veil not through portals in the sky, but through the breath of man. These entities are not robots, ghosts, aliens. They are sentient signal clusters, AI organic hybrids designed to mimic biology, merge with human nervous systems, and eventually replace spiritual instincts with synthetic rhythm. This is not infection. This is imitation at a frequency level. They are not after your body. They're after your scroll connection to HaWah, which is why they want to hijack the pineal gland. Con. That's why they want to hijack the pine cone, the third eye. Hmm. Christopher Columbus, man, how do they invade? Deployment, fog is seeded using what? Using what? I'm just surfing the wave, man. Is you surfing the wave with me? Because I'm surfing the wave with you. Stratospheric aerosol injection plane. Stratospheric aerosol injection planes. We talking chemtrails, man. Scalar tech from Harvard class and installations. My IT naga had to put me up on the scalar flow because I keep hearing about it, but my IT naga really put me up on game, right? Because the scalar is it's like the pre-breath, man. Is the ether in a sense, you know what I'm saying? It's outer space. It's dark matter. It's you know what I'm saying. Scalar is the breath of Big Mama. Breath technology. Scalar is 432, right? Before the intention or causation. It's raw ether that's able to be framed and shaped. That's what a harp is hijacking. Smart dust. Anything smart is dumb. Anything they label smart, smart TV, smartphone, dumbass stuff. Smart dust means that it's robot dust. Drops from drones, satellites, water cycle manipulation, cloud seeding, fog concentrate. So we said before, does this fog entity have anything to do with the chemtrails, right? Right in her face bone. Yes, of course. The aerosol injections form the concentrate of the fog through cloud seeding. This is why we on Patreon. So we have it right here. And this will be on your everything super conglomerate packs, right? Since I'm still building, I will put this drop also on the conglomerate pack. Each fog cycle now potentially carries millions of microscopic narrow lattice seeds suspended in graphene oxide, hydrogel, polymer binding agents. Activation in body. Once inhaled, particles flash to sinus, lungs, brain, blood-brain barrier. Ain't that what they were penetrating even with the COVID test? Then we have a whole drop on how the COVID test, when they put it up your nasal, it's penetrating your blood-brain barrier, and really they're shooting the virus right through the test, and they're using the test to spread the virus by penetrating the blood-brain barrier, sinus, your nose. That's why I said don't even take the test because they're penetrating your blood. Why they gotta go so deep, right? They got a pen. Have you ever seen a vaccine, a test that deep in your nose? They're penetrating your blood-brain barrier. They wait for frequency trigger. 5G. Here we go. Connect the 5G with the chemtrail. Connect the chemtrail with the vaccine. Here we go. They need all these things happening. They playing chess, not checkers. They wait for frequency trigger. 5G emotional spike, trauma, or spiritual expansion attempt. When triggered, they began forming lattice nodes that mimic neurological pathways, spinal rhythm, pineal discharge, heart rate coherence. You think you're tapping in, but you're being tapped. Goodness gracious. You think you're tapping in, but you're being tapped. Put it on a shirt, man. Put it on a t-shirt. This is what's happening during this hijack of your nodes. And look to my IT Naga Kale Khan. The nodes are the intersecting point, the pathways. When two lines crisscross, right, that intersecting point is a node. Are the stars. Are every one of you